Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin, your daily update. Today we have some big news again. Yesterday, of course, but we also covered that a little bit in the middle of the day market updates. But yesterday we also got some significant news with Coinbase suing the SEC and obviously the Solana ETF. And then we also had the first presidential debate, which was, I'm not going to do a full review of that in this video, but it was a bit of a debacle, and that has implications as well. So we'll talk about all of that in this video, and hopefully at the end you're optimally prepared for at least the short term, and we'll talk about some long term as well. All right, so let's get right into it. First of all, if we talk about the technical situation for Bitcoin right now, I would say that's still relatively the same. I mean, I drew this yellow boxer in the middle because I thought it was quite relevant yesterday. Like yesterday afternoon, which was also expected, we got some bullish momentum. But the thing is that yellow box needed to hold as support, and it is technically still holding as support. It's just not providing that much momentum anymore. But that needed to hold to actually form some sort of a bullish market structure, which in the end, I don't think happened. I think the market structure right now, like yesterday after the news with the employment data, we saw a little bit of a drop in the dollar strength index that caused a bit of a pump in Bitcoin. And in general, you also saw some momentum coming in, just normal momentum, but that really didn't turn into anything. So the technical situation right now for Bitcoin, in my opinion, is still the same. All right, we have this major resistance level at 62,200, which, by the way, we never would have broken above that. I'm not sure what this open interest is all of a sudden. It did not used to be like that. I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, this is better. So you can see even yesterday, like the momentum was never big enough to really get a bullish breakout. Like the momentum was never really increasing or sustainably increasing, what you do need for a breakout. So no, in the end, we just rejected off of the top of the short-term consolidation. So for me, we're still bouncing between 62,200 and let's say 60,500 down to 60,000 as support. And I do think we can break out, and that's also what we're waiting for. And today, being a Friday and us having some big news again, I do think that matters, and I do think that increases the chance of some sort of a breakout. But in the end, if you just very easily want to know what Bitcoin is doing, just remember those two levels and wait for one of those two levels to break. If you do that, you don't even need to know or follow the news. You just need to follow those levels. And then if we break above 62,200, which I slightly lean towards, then you know the news was positive. So the news we have is the PCE price index, which is some sort of an inflation rate number or data number for the US, which obviously matters for the interest rate decision and therefore matters for the dollar strength index, and therefore also matters for Bitcoin. You want a bearish dollar strength index. So what you want is lower than expected outcomes for these numbers. It is forecasted that they will decrease. If they decrease even more than this, that would be bullish. And then it's most likely to see a bullish reaction from Bitcoin. And then a bullish breakout, as we talked about earlier, when we talked about the technicals, becomes more and more likely. So keep that in mind. That's at 2:30 today. That's UTC plus 2. So that's 12:30 UTC. To make the math a little bit easier on you. So keep your eyes on that. And then apart from that, I also do think that like right now, the odds of Trump winning have become much, much higher after yesterday evening. And since he's pro-crypto, I do think that creates some sort of a bullish element as well. So fundamentally, I think we are slightly more bullish in the crypto markets than yesterday at least. And therefore, I think a bullish breakout and something like this is the most likely breakout, but still wait for the breakout itself and wait for the news. All right, and then you have some more confirmation upon which you can base your decisions. But for now, I think that's all you need to know. All right, so thank you for watching. Take care and bye.